Okay, so today let us see how we can use our new shop module. So it is a two-part thing. So very first is you need to do some setup, and the second I'll show how to do the billing for our shop items. So the very first thing is we need to go to our profile either from here or from here. Go to our settings page, and in the settings page we will go to pharmacy, and we are going to follow the same process which you do for pharmacy items, which is add pharmacy, giving the name, let's say spec 1234. Currently I'll just give it a random name. Let's say I have 100 units. What is my MRP? Let's my MRP is uh, 400 shilling. And if there's a batch code, if you want to write, you can write the batch codes. If you have HSN code, you can write the HSN code. And most probably there won't be any expiry date. Let's say if you have any manufacturing date, you can write that, or even if there is any expiry date, you can write that as well. Now what you do is in this drop down you will select shop items instead of pharmacy items. You just select shop items. So basically whenever you are adding pharmacy, you select pharmacy, otherwise you select shop items. After you have done this, you click save, right? Now this item has been created. Now you would say, okay, we have already created spectacles and glasses in particulars, right? Let's say you would have created something in the particulars as well, but this particular is governed only for the OPD part. So currently what you are doing is you are actually creating this in the OPD module, right? So glasses one, glasses advanced, all these things. Even this is fine. This also can be done. Depends on how do you want to do this. So currently these things are visible in OPD part, not in the shop part. If you create shop items, it will be shown in the shop bill. If you create pharmacy items, it will be shown in the pharmacy bill. Let me just show you. Let us come back to this page. We will go to billing. At the top over here, you can see the type of bill, either OPD bill, IPD bill, pharmacy bill, shop bill, then estimate, OT inventory, something else, something experimental, estimates. Now, if we are in OPD or IPD bills, we will be able to see your glasses because you have created these in, so all these glass 4, 5, everything has been created in the OPD part of the settings. Now, if I go and select, let's say pharmacy, then you don't see anything with glass. If I select shop bill, you still don't see anything with the glass. Right? Now, what we did was we created spec 1234 for 400 rupees. Now, I will select this for my billing. I'll enter a quantity, let's say 3 quantity. Unit cost, as because doing during the setup we said that spec 123 costs 400. That is why it is automatically filling this over here as 400. But let's say you want to give this out at 300. You just edit this and add your item. Right? So this gets added. And then rest of the things is same as the OPD and IPD billing. Just that while doing billing for your shop item, you will get this option to edit the unit cost, which you do not get in
It's 12
the
o'clock.
OPD part. So in OPD part, you do not get to edit the cost, but in spectacles, because it may vary. customer to customer, patient to patient. So you can edit that part, right? Everything remains the same. So let's say, let me just refresh this once again. So if I go to billing, now without selecting any bill type, if I just want to view the bills, I can go to this drop down as usual, as we have been doing this always. Same way, all the bills which are created will be shown over here. So there is some shop bill which has already been created, right? So this is showing. So there, it's showing that there are, let's say, in this testing environment, there are 12 shop bills which have been created and one OPD bill which has been created, which is RID, and then shop bill starts with SHOP. So this is how things are. So if you want to use this new shop module for billing, the very first thing you need to do is create your shop items in the pharmacy tab of your settings page, which you can reach from this button called profile. Okay. In case of any confusions, queries, problems, you can reach me on the WhatsApp number. Thank you.